Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of How to Guide. And in this video, I am going to show you how to fix if your WhatsApp is not loading the QR code. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. If you are also having this issue, you just simply have to open your Microsoft Store into your computer, and after opening the Microsoft Store, just simply search for WhatsApp into here. And now after opening WhatsApp into Microsoft Store, if it shows this update button into here, just simply click to update and update your WhatsApp to the latest version, and after that just simply try opening the WhatsApp and your problem might get fixed. And like this you can easily solve your issues in WhatsApp which is happened because of the outdated version of WhatsApp. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.